yay, happy Friday. Today, I am excited because I'm going to go see Mamma Mia. Do 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 do, ba 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 da da da. So I'm gonna go see Mamma Mia. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this movie to come out for so long. When I saw the previews for it a couple of months ago, I'm like, oh yeah, I'll be there the day that it comes out. So I am going with my neighbor Sandy down the street and her mom. We are going to the early show, the matinee, because we're old and I didn't want to go any later than noon. So the movie starts at like 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna pick them up at 10:30, which is so nice because then we'll probably get out of there, let's see, 12:30, almost 1 o'clock. So perfect for lunchtime. So we might go grab a bite to eat afterwards, not sure yet. I am actually gonna make another trip out to Target if I have time today. Why does this look weird? What is that eye? My makeup on that side look weird. No, okay. Sorry. I want to run out to Target today to get that Hershey box that was $5. So hopefully they'll have some left. I mean, they had a ton of them yesterday, so I'm hoping that they have a ton left. But I'm gonna go out there today and get that if I have time. Today I am wearing this cute top from Old Navy, which I absolutely love. Sorry, I was just fixing the tanky that was underneath it. I love this top. I love how the square neck on it is so pretty. And then I paired it with my, I paired it with these hot pink shorts that I got from Blaine Bryant the other day. So I'm pairing them with the shorts, and then this is what the outfit looks like. So yeah, I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. I'm so glad, like when I was pairing things together this morning in my closet, I'm like, I wanted to wear this shirt the other day and I'm like, oh wait, I don't have anything really to go with it. But then I'm like, ooh, I have pink shorts now. So cute little outfit. Lane Bryant and Old Navy, two favorite places. Old Navy being the first, the major one, the main one. But this is a cute outfit. So you guys will probably see me in this next week too, because I'll probably wear it while we are in Savannah and in Hilton Head. But it is, what time is it? It's 9:45. I don't pick them up for another 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna sit here and chillax and watch, well, Seinfeld's getting ready to come on here in a few minutes, and then I'm gonna finish just doing some stuff on my phone. So I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. Let's go see Mamma Mia. So I'm actually gonna be switching out my purse today. I'm gonna be switching it from this one that I had been using, I think since what, April or May, when Brian and I went, I forgot where we were. I forgot where we went. I think this is in Tennessee. Anyway, this is the clothes that I'm gonna put in my suitcase for next week. But anyway, I'm gonna switch out this bag and put it inside this. This is a Skip Hop diaper bag. I know, crazy, right? I bought this on Posh. I love this bag. I actually used this when I went to Disney on my solo trip a couple of weeks ago. Well, a couple of months ago. And I absolutely love this. I mean, this thing, for a diaper bag, so it has lots of storage. This has storage here, storage here, storage here, storage inside. I mean, it has just, I love this bag. It's got two like pockets on the side that are like mesh. I love it. It fits me so perfectly. It's a crossbody and it's so long and I love it. So I'm going to switch it off and use this for our upcoming trip because it holds like so much stuff. It can hold my umbrella. It can hold like bags of things, like totes, where my little plastic thingies. Like it holds a bunch of these, like these things. So I love that. And then I can put, you know, organize everything in there, because usually this is what happens with this purse. I mean, this is what happens with big purses anyway, but look, this is a mess. So let's go inside, digging inside this purse. So look, it's just a mess. I mean, I've got like everything scattered. My wallet, I've got this stuff scattered. I've got receipts in here. I've got this thing. I mean, look, it's just a complete mess. This thing has fallen out of its little pouch that it's supposed to stay in. So I'm gonna try to get all of this stuff out and organize it and put it inside of here. I mean, I know, like, you know, you can have your purse so perfect for a while, then all of a sudden it's just gonna get all yucky again. Like, I get it, because you just toss things in there. Like, I'll toss my keys in there, I'll toss my credit cards in there, and then I'm like, where are they at? I can't find them. And and they're in the bottom of my bag somewhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch this bag out because I've just kind of been in the mood to do it. And then I will check back in with you guys after I'm finished. So, oh, and I did order, I just want to tell you, I did order 2 more of these bags on Posh. They're not the same, obviously, print or whatever, 2 different prints, but I love them, and that's why I ordered them, and they're diaper bags. How funny is that? I don't know, would you guys like use a diaper bag as a regular purse? Because I am, and I think it's cute, and it's definitely worth it. So anyway, yeah. Skip Hop, that's the brand of the, now I would not pay full price for these bags, these diaper bags, because they are expensive from what I can tell. But like, I think I got this one for like $19 on Posh, and then the one that I ordered the other day was $19, and then the other one that I got from Posh was $13. So I'm pretty excited about my bags from Posh, and I'm excited about the fact that they're diaper bags. I know it's hilarious, but okay, bye. Brian took his hoopty to work this morning because it's gone. See the old car? Not there. So I am headed down right now to pick up my neighbor so we could go watch our movie. I have my box back here to take to the post office because I gotta deliver that. I don't know what side they're gonna get in, but they can move it. They can move the stuff over. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Oh, radio. Oh. Just going down to my neighbors. I am so excited to see Mamma Mia. I was actually reading some comments earlier before too, and somebody was asking about my cardigan that I was wearing again the other day, the flowery one. You guys, seriously, go on Amazon. I will leave a link below to that. Just get on Amazon and, oh, the puppies are, hello puppies. You can go on Amazon and order that. I'll leave a link below and you guys can just go ahead and order that through my, my Amazon link. So, but anyway, here come the ladies. So I will I will chat with you guys later, a little bit after the movie, and let you guys know how
there
it was.
was something in the air that night, the stars so bright, Fernando.
So we went and had lunch at Mexican. It was so good, and it's I just dropped them off, and then I realized that I forgot to drop off my Posh box at the post office. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And then I actually have to pick up something too at my P.O. box. So something that came in that I ordered, I believe. It's probably my scroll sign. I'm not really exactly sure. No, it won't be a scroll sign. I don't know what it is. Interesting, but I do have a package at, I wonder what it could be. Ooh, maybe somebody sent me some cookies. Ooh, that'd be so nice because I can't find those cookies anywhere. Okay, so Mamma Mia, such a good movie. I absolutely love it. I'm such a geek when it comes to like musicals anyway. So loved it. I've already downloaded the soundtrack on my phone, so I'm very, very happy to have that. But, you know, and I knew that there was a Mamma Mia that came out years ago. But I thought this was a remake of the movie from several years ago, and it's not. It's the sequel. It's like, it's a sequel to it. So I was like, oh wow, so now I have to actually watch the first one to actually understand it. So I'm excited about that. I can't believe that I've never watched that or never thought about it, but like I said, I thought this was the sequel, or I thought this was like a remake of it, but it wasn't. But I absolutely loved it. It was so good. Such a good movie. If you guys like musicals, or if you like Mamma Mia, definitely go watch this. I really enjoyed it. But it is almost 3 o'clock, and so like my day is completely obviously been shot. 10:30, it started at 10:30, you know, I picked the girls up at 10:30, but it was just so nice. I enjoy visiting with my friend Sandy. She actually is my neighbor. She just lives down the street with me, and then her mom, who moved in with them back in November. So it's just really nice to just to hang out with those ladies. They're super, super nice ladies, and I love them so much. But yeah, and then I think well, she does photography, and then she told me about a little secret for a Savannah when in Savannah there's a speakeasy in Savannah on River Street there, and she said that I actually have to ask like somebody in my hotel, like concierge or the receptionist or something at the hotel, what the password is for the speakeasy, because it changes like every day. And then if I find the speakeasy, I'm to use that password to be able to get in. And she said that they play music and you know, live music or whatever. So I am gonna definitely check that out because I love stuff like that. That is like right up my alley. It is so cool. But I also told her how that subject got brought up is because I actually found a Prohibition museum that is there in Savannah as well, that I'm going to be checking out when I'm there next week, which I'm super excited about. And Brian and I are just trying to plan things out to where, you know, he's going to try to see where he's going to be during the day and all that good. So we're just trying to figure things out, but it's going to be a fun couple of days in Savannah. I'm going to be there, like we're going to get there at like 10 o'clock. We're leaving Wednesday morning, so we're going to be getting there early on Wednesdays, like 10 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, because Brian has to be at that company early. And then I will be free to do my thing, and then we'll go check into the hotel and all that good stuff. And then so I'll have like all day Wednesday, I'll have all day Thursday, and I'll have all day Friday to do and find something to keep me entertained. And then Friday evening, afternoonish, we will be heading over to Hilton Head and meeting up with our friends over there. So it's going to be quite a fun few days coming up next week, which I'm super excited about. Another thing that I wanted to let you guys know is my son Brandon texted me a few minutes ago, and he does not have to go on deployment, which is so good. I'm so happy about that, and I know he's thrilled to death about it as well, that he does not have to go on deployment. This would be his last deployment before he leaves the Navy, so he's very excited about that, not having to, are you turning where? Okay. About not having to go on deployment. So with that being said, we actually have another trip to Pensacola planned. We will be in Pensacola the weekend of August 17, 18, and 19, and we will be staying at the Margaritaville again for 2 nights, which I'm super excited about. I cannot wait to get back to Margaritaville, and I can't wait to be on the beach and enjoying that weekend with my son once again. So nice. And then we're going to be back again in Pensacola in October, and with my son Brandon again, because we're going to be staying 1 night, I think it is, or 2 nights in Biloxi, and then well, in the Gulfport area, and then we're going to also be in Pensacola prior to that. So 3 nights in Pensacola in October, and then 2 nights in the Biloxi area as well. So woo, we have a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, lots of stuff. It's so fun. Look at this video. This vlog is all about me being in my car and driving around and doing stuff. Isn't that funny? So yeah, but a lot of fun stuff coming up, and I'm super excited about it. I love being busy. I love staying busy. I love having things to look forward to. Oh, and then Brian's cousin Lisa is going to be working on cruise ship information for this weekend. We're going to try to find something and maybe possibly locking in a cruise in November, which I'm very excited about as well. So that's going to be super fun. Oh, I just realized that this street is called Logan. I'm thinking of Logan from Marvels. Yeah, that guy Logan. All right, so I'm at the post office now, and I'm gonna drop this stuff off, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Yes, hi, can I get a grande caramel frappuccino, please?
Grande caramel frappuccino?
Yes, ma'am.
What else for you?
That is it.
508.
Thank you. Dessert. I'm back home. I actually stopped off and talked to my other neighbor down the street a little bit when on my way home. I think it was 20 minutes or so conversation, but this is what I ordered. I think it is that, I need to get my, where is my scissors? I had a X-Acto knife or whatever, but I don't know what I've done with, I don't want to use that. Let me find something that I can open this up with, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So hold on a second. I'm gonna use these scissors. I'm gonna use scissors and open this up. So hold on, I'm excited. This is a scroll that I got, I ordered, because I think that those are so cool, like in houses. And I'll show you guys like what it is. These are so cool. Yes. Oh, so pretty. I don't want to ruin it. It's a scroll. I think that's just tissue. Yeah. Okay. So this is the scroll, and it came from, this is the, is this the company that it came from? Is that gonna focus? Focus. Maybe? Yes, no? Anyway, Mean and Moose. Little thank you card, so pretty. Mean and Moose. Can you guys see that now? Mean and Moose. All right, it says, please unroll the scroll and clip the paper in place with the paper clips. Oh, okay. So this is the scroll. Oh, yeah, see, I love this. And together they created a life they loved. That's what the scroll says. And of course, then it's got icy. So it stays like this. And then, oh, paper like this. Oh, how cute. So see, this is what it looks like. And then here's the scroll. So it stays rolled up right here. And then what down here, it stays like paper clip it. I guess that's how you do it. So I guess you paper clip this end. I guess that's how you do it. And then, whoops, paper clip. Let's see if I can do that. Paper clip. So, paper clip, paper clip, paper clip. I love this. This is so cool. Okay, so I guess that's how you do it. So here it is. Yeah, see how it stays rolled up? Isn't that pretty? And they created a life they loved. And I love that. Look how cool that is. Okay, so neat. Now I gotta find out where to put this. How easy is that though to make? That was so easy. Just like a piece of roll off this paper and then probably just peel that on. Yeah, that's cool. Very cool. I like it. Awesome. Alrighty, so there's my scroll. I got the scroll. That came quick too. I was quite surprised how quickly that came, but I am gonna hang that up somewhere. I don't know where yet. Probably it's gonna be in our bedroom or out here somewhere. Not exactly sure, but anyway, that's it. So that's actually gonna be it for today's vlog too, because it's 3:30 and I have to get this up and edited and ready for you guys tomorrow. Have a great weekend, you guys, and I will see you guys Monday morning. Bye, guys.